So, guys, this is a very sensitive topic, and I have to share it with my subscribers and my viewers, people that are cheering me up, watching my videos, and we made it, guys. I got my Google AdSense this week, guys, and I am so happy. I am so excited. I'm going to be sharing a bit journey on my YouTube, guys. So a few years ago, I started. I wanted to do YouTube, but I didn't know the basis of starting this particular YouTube. I've done some videos, just some random videos. I haven't done some cooking, but I was just doing it without, having anything in mind, being serious and all of that. And last year, 2023 June, I made up my mind to go officially to start a YouTube channel. Exactly 12 months. That's 12 months and 2 months right now, guys. I started my YouTube on, I think, June, early June, first week of June 2023. And I also got monetized in the ending part of June 2024. Congratulations to us, guys. We made it, my community. And that is what I choose to call you guys because you guys have been there. And how would I get this without sharing it with my followers and my subscribers? I'm so excited. So doing this starting my YouTube channel, I decided to start, into make money channel, start my business because I'm already doing e-commerce business and this e-commerce business is paying off. So I decided to share my journey, my business on this particular YouTube channel. And lo and behold, we got monetized. And everything was working so smoothly from the moment I got my 1,000 subscribers. I got my 1,000 subscribers on June, and I got monetized on that same June. And everything has been working out very, very fine, except that you need to work. If you have this YouTube thing inside your mind that you are going to make it, my brother, my sister, is actually going to be possible. You need to work hard, you need to work smart. And how and what did I do to be able to get my 4,000 watch hour time? I had to, find the videos that people like, find the videos that my audience like. I will have to research some of the things, and I saw that some of the videos I started to share about my market videos, and I saw that people love to watch my market videos, and these videos got me so many views and business ideas too. These two particular topic are giving me views on my channel, and that is why I want to thank you guys. So all you need, if you need to be monetized on your YouTube channel, we all know about this. You need your 1,000 subscribers, you need your 4,000 watch hour, and you need to post original content. Even if you want to post other people's content, there is a way you have to do it. You understand? So research about it, and definitely when you put your mind to this particular YouTube thing, because what I told my sisters, I told them that I am going to be monetized and I'm going to work towards that, and that is it. We are here, and I am so excited. I got monetized, and I just got my Google AdSense. Applying for this Google AdSense, everything was so easy because I have Google AdSense before, because I have a website, I have a blog where I post news, but unfortunately, because of some things, busy and all of that, I couldn't post again. I don't know what happened, and I lost that monetization on that particular blog and my website. But that our Google AdSense is still with me. So when I even wanted to apply for this Google AdSense, I wanted to use another, Google, new Google. They told me no, to remind me if I have a Google AdSense. Google had to remind me that I have another Google AdSense account. That if I want to close it, I can close it so that I can have another Google. But I don't need to close it because I already have $6 on that particular account, and I still need that my $6. So what I did was to close the new one that I opened and now focus on the old Google AdSense that I have. And right now, I even have a website, Ebys'Lady.com, which I even plan to monetize with time, but we're still posting a bit by bit. If you are interested in knowing how to do all of these things, it is possible, and trust your community. You understand? They are going to be there for you. Once you are there for them, giving them the information and the value they need, they will always be there for you. I don't have much to say, but everything just worked on swiftly. And just 3 weeks, that I applied. So everything worked out smoothly for me, and honestly, is just amazing. And you can do that, guys. You can do it. Google AdSense. Here we come, guys. And once again, I want to appreciate everybody. I want to thank everybody for, helping me to succeed as well. Thank you, guys. So it took almost immediately I applied. Everything worked out for me very, very smoothly. I applied, and that same month, I got everything. I applied for Google AdSense, and 3 weeks, the Google AdSense is here already. And I went to pick it. And when I went to pick it, I don't know if they asked for money to collect Google AdSense. I don't know. They said I should pay 3,000 naira for me to collect this particular letter. I don't want to talk about much about this, but what I know is that if you want to be monetized on YouTube, it is very, very possible. You just need to put in more work, research about the videos that works for you, know the videos that will work for you. If you're going into any niche, try and know the videos that will work for you. Check your analytics, work with your analytics. It is going to help you to succeed. My audience, my subscribers, and I make sure that I share my videos everywhere. I share it on Facebook, I share my videos on Twitter, I share it on my story, WhatsApp, and everywhere. And even when my particular Facebook or page that I have 42,000 followers on that particular page was suspended, and is still suspended. I didn't relent because I get most of my viewers from that particular page. And definitely, if you're hoping on people to watch your videos from Facebook, I don't trust Facebook people like that. So just make sure that you are keep posting, don't relent, and keep posting. The algorithm will definitely recognize you. And once you start posting the good ones, good videos that people love, nobody will even tell them to watch. You will see how the miracle is going to take place. Thank you, guys.